guys, it is October 14th, 2022. So never got a call from a guy. I guess he got a tenement house. One of the boilers is leaking out of the pressure gauge. They call it a tridicator. It's pressure and temperature gauge. It's called a tridicator. He said it's leaking out that pretty good. So I'm on my way over there now. I'm going to have to drain the boiler down and change that. Or at least take the pressure off it. Do it on a fly maybe. I guess from what he says, the lady's not there. She's in rehab or something. So he's going to meet me there in case I got to bleed the radiators. He said it's an old-fashioned type. You never know. Sometimes the feeders get stuck and it don't fill water in properly, and you got to change that. You never know what you're going to run into. So we'll drain it down. We'll change the tridicator. Put a new one in there. I have them in the truck, and then we'll refill it. See what happens. Ain't rocket science. Miss Molly decided to go to work with me today. Oh, Miss Molly. You love working, Miss Molly. You love working with Daddy. You love working. Yeah, you love working, Miss Molly. Anyway, I'll try to get you some shots when I get there. He's supposed to meet me there, the homeowner. But all the leaves starting to turn. See, they're all turning yellow. It's fall. It's fall here. Before you know it, it's gonna all these leaves are gonna fall off the trees. And next thing you know, next month it's gonna start getting cold. November, we might, could get some snow next month. Looks like it's right there that's leaking. That should be an easy. You got purge valves right here, so that's good. Yeah. There's a leaker. I wonder how big it is. I'm not sure how deep it is, but we're gonna have to see. They take off the side panel. Couple inches probably. I should have one in the truck. He's a leaker. He's a leaker. Yeah, we got the two purge stations right now. We gotta find out where to drain. That's the only other thing here. Got a dirt floor here. Should be able to just drain onto that maybe. Maybe out a window somewhere. Oh, glass blocks. No drain. Right here, maybe. Them two ball valves off, and then I'll be able to bleed it out this high vent once I refill it. I need to drain it. And that's just going right over to that pit over there. Get it off here. Should be able to get that off now. I should be able to back that off of there. I got another one here. That should be the size. Put a little Smurf drizzle on there. A little Smurf drizzle. See if we get this thing off of here. I guess I'm gonna give me a hard go. She's on there. She's the only crusty one. Just being a tough one. Coming? Yeah, it's coming off now. Crusty. Crusty one. She's a crusty one.
Turn the light on.
I don't know where the lights were.
How you doing?
All right.
Well, you haven't changed. You still look the same.
Do I?
Huh? You still look the same. I thought it was coming out of the bottom of the pipe.
Wow. I just gotta get that thing spun the right way.
Why would that happen?
Well, I mean, shit happens, guy. I mean, you know.
Just asking, that's all.
That's how things, you know. You ever hear that saying? Shit happens.
You know, yeah. That's what keeps you in business.
Everything's always something, you know.
Yeah. Everything's made to break, even people.
Yeah, that's the truth. Get a lot of broken ones, that's for sure.
Can you purge that from here?
Yeah, I can, actually.
Okay. I always thought a boiler was oil. I don't know why I thought that.
You thought it was what?
I always thought a boiler was oil and a furnace was gas, but you told me no.
No, a boiler has water in it, has radiators. A furnace has a hot air furnace. There's no water in it. It blows hot air.
Okay.
So that's the difference between a boiler and a furnace.
Okay.
Makes sense, right?
Yeah, it does.
A furnace has no water in it.
This is the furnace.
This is a boiler.
I mean a boiler. I'm sorry. You're right. This is a boiler, whether it's gas or oil.
Right.
But it has water in it.
Correct. A furnace is a hot air furnace. It has air in it. That's it. It blows air.
Yep.
Pretty simple, right?
Pretty simple.
It don't have any water in it.
At my office building, we have no water in it. It's a furnace.
Right. How's work for you?
Okay. I'm in the medical field, so.
Oh, you got fucking shitload of work.
Yeah, a lot of crazy people.
A lot of what?
Crazy people.
Yeah, ain't that the truth, huh?
I'm in the mental health business.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Probably know my ex-wife then.
Yeah.
No? Fuck. She's famous. She sunk the Titanic. Well, that's good enough. Yeah, she sunk the Titanic.
I know it's the first time you've been here, but at least you know there's 4 boilers here, so.
Mental health. What are you doing? Selling them drugs?
What?
You said you're in a mental health business.
No. No, it's but basically, like a therapist. When you go and sit down with your therapist and talk about your problems, and we try to help out.
Okay.
I tell you.
Shrinkologist. Right?
Huh?
A shrinkologist.
A shrinkologist, you got it. This thing has been leaking for a
They're
while.
never ending, huh?
No. No, that's one thing that's always there.
Yeah, I went to go see one of them guys one time. He needed to, after he was done with me, he had to go see a shrinkologist.
Yeah, we do like marriage counseling and all that stuff.
All right, I'm filling it back up. There's purge valves. There's a purge, there's a hydrant right here.
Okay.
And it should bleed right out of this. We shouldn't even have to, and then once it's all bled, I could open those valves. I shut those valves off.
Yep.
New tank, newer tank. 19, so these things aren't that old.
No. She's got what, 3 zone or 2 zone?
2 zones.
2 zone.
Two, see the zone valves?
Right.
So these are the purge stations right here, see it?
Yep.
Wasn't that bad. Could have been worse. Alright, we just spitted some water out, so we know we're good here. And we'll open these up and we should be good to go.
I mean, she doesn't even have the heat on.
No, but
Because she's not even here, she's in a rehab.
she'll be ready to go.